St. Patty's Day is just around the corner and I have the perfect dessert to pair with any Irish treat. I'm making chocolate stout cupcakes topped with a smooth Irish cream icing. Enough said, let's get to it. We're keeping it simple and easy today with the ingredients. For the cupcake mix, you'll need Devil's Food Cake, a good stout beer. Today we're using Guinness, vegetable oil, 4 eggs, and vanilla extract. And for the buttercream, which is my absolute favorite, you'll need cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, vanilla, and some Irish cream liqueur. First, preheat the oven to 350 and place your foil or your paper baking cups in your cupcake pan. Now for the batter. I'm using a mixer, and if you don't have that, you can simply use a hand mixer or a bowl and a whisk. I'm going to combine the cake mix, the beer, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla together on low speed for 30 seconds, then increase it to medium speed for about 2 minutes. Evenly distribute the batter between your baking cups, which is about 3 tablespoons each. Bake these for 18 to 20 minutes. You can also check to see if it's done by inserting a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. Oh man, we are one step closer to enjoying these cupcakes. Let's make the frosting while we let the cupcakes cool for 10 minutes. In another bowl, beat the butter and cream cheese together on low speed until smooth. Powdered sugar can be a little messy, so I'm going to add it in 1 cup at a time, beating until well mixed. Now add the vanilla and the tablespoon of the Irish cream until blended. Mix until the frosting becomes nice and fluffy. Sometimes your cupcakes will bubble up while baking, so I like to trim the top off to make a nice flat surface for the frosting. Once that's done, grab your piping bag, or a Ziploc bag works just great, and frost your cupcakes by starting at the outside and going towards the center in a circular motion. Of course, I have to add some sprinkles to make it pop. These cupcakes are as good as gold and are a perfect treat to share for any St. Patty's Day celebration. You enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.